How you guys doing? My name is Manny St. Jean. I want to introduce you to the 2020 Palisade, brought to you by Auto Fair Hyundai in Manchester, New Hampshire. So the 2020 Palisade is replacing the Santa Fe XL. Used to be the third row SUV that we carried, but now no more. The Palisade has come out with this new stylish design. I want to show you guys the LED daylight lights, which are beautiful in my opinion and stick out. I want to talk to you and show you the grille, which is very, very bold and catches a lot of attention when you're zooming by. So this Palisade seats up to 7. It features the captain's chairs, which is optional. You can get the bench row in the middle. It varies depending on family, I would say. So we have controls for our heated seats in the back. We have fan controls. We have additional charging components all alongside, hidden, I would say. We also have an AC 115 volts outlet hidden over here for use. So there's a lot of room in this cabin. As you can see, they got rid of the old school shifters and they've replaced them with this new button styled shifters. We also have a wireless cell phone charger that works with many cases. This also does open up when you, bam. Heated seats, heated steering wheel, 5 different drive modes depending on your style. I like the sport mode, but that's just me. Beautiful leather stitching on the doors. I'm digging the gray color. So come on down to Auto Fair Hyundai in Manchester and test out the 2020 Hyundai Palisade. It's a very smooth and enjoyable ride. Give it a try. You might fall in love with it. I did.